1998 Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the learning vehicle, on Ablecraft's 4-wheel drive 3.0-liter V6 manual shift transmission vehicle. Currently, wow, let's see here, we have 171,987 miles. We're getting up there a little bit in vehicle. So anyway, I'm prepping for a floor pan patch here on the driver's side, and I'm gonna use this poker hammer here to see the extent of the rust. Okay, basically I just want to see how big of a patch I'm gonna have to need, roughly. Okay, not too bad here. Not as bad. Okay, yep, there's a little bit right there. So on that rib, banging away like I'm on my drum. Alright, we definitely know that is bad. We got some Flintstone action going here. If you guys remember the Flintstones in that audience. See, we got hiding underneath here. Bang away, bang away. Okay. And I'm hitting pretty darn hard. Whoops. Probably keep you on film here. Alright. I'm just banging. I'm just trying to just measure twice, just cut once, okay? That's my goal. Alright, so we know that's bad, right? So I'm going to have to be cutting into this rib a little bit. No problem. Alright, so from the looks of it, this here. And I'm going to measure again. Whoops. Looking roughly at a 8-inch by 14-inch by, let's go with another 9. So let's go by 8 by 14 patch. Okay. I got the sun right behind me. So 8. One-handed here. See if we can zoom in. 8. Roughly 8. If I say 14. So 8 by 14 patch. Roughly. Okay. So let's take another zoom shot of that. Yeah, pretty good. So when I bought the truck, I knew the hole was there. It's not a surprise. I didn't know how big it was after 2 years, of course, after I pulled back this, you know, fine carpeting material. So let's go underneath and take a look on the back side. Underneath. Let's see here. Down here, get down. Climbing down. Bring my hammer. Okay. We're still getting there, folks. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Okay. Wow. All right. tells a little bit of a different story underneath. Let's see how though. Looks a little bit different underneath here. So with that being said, yep, my screwdriver, I got it here, going all the way to here, right slightly before the curve where the transmission would sit. Way back in there though, that's not even interfering. No cross member. This is the full. Got the drive shaft right here. I don't need to remove that, fortunately. And I come down to here, all the way down, solid. Looks like maybe here's a few lines. I got it. All right. So, see here. So what exactly am I looking for? Am I looking at? Okay. I'm just trying to confirm what I'm seeing from up top. Well, this is pretty neat. Okay, so I'm going to hold one hand, and I don't really expect to get any real measurements here, but I'll try. I should have brought my flexible tape here. So again, yeah, we're looking at least 14, yeah, 14 long. One second. Doing this one-handed here. Yeah, I'm looking at least, I'm going to go at least 13. Yeah, 13 long. I could go 13, 14. Yeah, I'm going to go 14 long, just a little bit. It's pretty thin there. And I'll be safe with, yeah, 9 inches wide. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad. All right, so I'm going to come back up top. I got one more look. For all intents and purposes, I have done what I wanted to do, which was take a look underneath so I can remember what this looks like in the future when I do other repairs. All right, so basically, yeah, my patch is going to go this way, down through here, all the way to here. Okay, and let's scribe that with my line here. I'm only cutting out, I don't want to cut out good enough. I want to cut out the bad. I'll chase it all the way down to here. Okay. Alrighty. You probably don't see that on film, but it is a square. Let me try it with this. There we go. So you can see this. That's what I think I'm going to do. And then I'm going to form 2 ribs with my crude bead, well, rib maker. Probably they were bead rolled. So I'm just talking out loud to myself. Alrighty. So that's what I'm going to do. Looks like to be a 9 by 14 inch patch. And well, let's get to it. All right, so this is day 1, part 1, the Ford Ranger floor pan patch repair. All right.